Are you tired of wasting money on ads that don't convert? What if I told you that with the right strategy, your ad budget could deliver 10 times more results in 2025? Stick with me and I will show you exactly how to make it happen. My name is Yann Bakebongo. I'm the founder of Jashughatt Media. Over the years, I've helped businesses of all sizes scale using data-driven ad strategies that deliver measurable results. I know the frustration of pouring money into ads and seeing little return. But trust me, with the right approach, you can turn Facebook and Google ads into your most powerful growth engines. Within the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to running profitable ads campaign on Facebook and on Google in 2025. By 2025, digital advertising will account for over 65% of global ad spend. Why, you ask? Because platforms like Facebook and Google aren't just places to run ads. They are where businesses build brand awareness. But there's the catch. Competition is higher than ever. If you want your ads to stand out and deliver results, you need a strategic data-driven approach. So how do you get there? Step 1, define your campaign goals before you do anything. You need to get very clear on your objectives. Are you trying to drive traffic? Are you trying to generate leads? Or are you boosting sales? Each goal requires a different approach. For example, lead generation campaign will focus on form, while a sales campaign may prioritize shoppable ads. Step 2, set your budget strategically. You need to start with a realistic budget based on your revenue goals. You need to calculate your required ad spend by working backward from your sales target, conversion rates, and your cost per click. Choose between daily budget or lifetime budgets depending on your campaign structure. Step 3, create high converting ads. Your ads needs to grab attention and drive action. You need to focus on 3 key elements. You need a persuasive copy that speaks to your audience's pain points. You need eye-catching visuals, whether it's a bold image or a short video. And you need a clear, compelling call to action like shop now or get started. In 2025, Facebook's AI-powered tools are a game changer. Use dynamic creative optimization to test multiple ads variation automatically. Try augmented reality ads to create immersive shopping experience. And don't forget to track all your engagement quality metrics in order to measure meaningful interaction. Step 5, optimize and scale. Once your campaign is live, monitor performance closely. Test different ads variation, refine your targeting, and gradually increase budgets for top performing ads. Use automated rules to pause underperforming ads and scale success to it. Google Ads is slightly similar to Facebook. Here are the steps to make it work. Step 1, define your campaign objective. Just like Facebook, Google Ads starts with a clear goal. Whether it's driving traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales, your objective will shape everything from your targeting to your bidding strategy. Step 2, you need to conduct keyword research. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planners in order to find high intent keywords that align with your audiences. Focus on transactional keywords with moderate competition and high conversion potential. Step 3, create compelling ad copy. For Google Ads, your headlines and descriptions are everything. The secret is to use concise, keyword-rich copy that highlights benefits and addresses customers' pain points. You need to link your ads to optimized landing pages to ensure a seamless user experience. Step 4, leverage AI-powered features. Google Smart Bidding uses machine learning to adjust bids in real time based on conversion likelihood. You can pair these AI-powered generative tools that generate ad variations automatically. It's okay to let the technology do the heavy lifting while you focus on the strategy. Step 5, optimize and scale. Track your performance using conversion data and adjust bids. And from there, you can adjust your bids, your keywords, and your ad copy based on insight. Gradually scale your budget for campaigns that consistently deliver results. Let's recap the key steps to running profitable ad campaigns in 2025. 1, define your campaign goals. 2, set strategic budgets. 3, create high converting ads. 4, leverage AI and automation tools. 5, continuously optimize and scale. Running Facebook and Google ads can seem overwhelming, but with the right strategy, they can become your most powerful tools for growth. Imagine scaling your business globally while watching your ROI climb with every campaign. It is possible. And it starts with taking action. Here's your next step. Subscribe for weekly tips to grow your business through paid media. Drop a comment below and tell us, what's your biggest challenge with your ad? I'll personally reply to help you out. Together, let's turn your ad spend into unstoppable growth. See you into the next video.